Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Learn English through stories. Detective story for beginners. Chapter 1. Mr. Wilson visits Sherlock Holmes. One morning, Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson sat in their flat on Baker Street. A man knocked on the door. "Come in," said Holmes. The man entered. He was fat and had red hair. "My name is Jabez Wilson," he said. "I need your help." "Please sit down," said Holmes. "Tell us everything." Mr. Wilson sat down and began to talk. "I have a small shop. I sell things. My assistant is a young man named Vincent Spaulding. He told me about a job for red-haired men. He said I could make money." "A job for red-haired men?" Holmes asked. "Yes," said Mr. Wilson. "It was called the Red-Headed League." Chapter 2. The Red-Headed League. Mr. Wilson continued his story. "Vincent took me to an office. A man with red hair met me. He said I had perfect red hair. I got the job." "What was the job?" asked Holmes. "I had to sit in the office every day from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I had to copy pages from a book. That was all. They paid me £4 a week." "Very strange," said Holmes. "Yes," said Mr. Wilson. "I did this job for 8 weeks. Then, one morning, I went to the office. A sign on the door said, 'The Red-Headed League is closed.'" "And what did you do?" asked Holmes. "I asked the landlord. He didn't know anything. The office was empty." "I don't understand." "That's why I came to you." Chapter 3. Holmes is interested. Holmes smiled. "This is very curious," he said. "I will take your case, Mr. Wilson." Mr. Wilson left. Holmes turned to Watson. "Watson, do you want to come with me? We will visit Mr. Wilson's shop." "Of course," said Watson. They walked to Mr. Wilson's shop. It was in a busy street. The Holmes looked around the street carefully. He knocked on the door. Vincent Spaulding opened it. He was young, with a pale face. He smiled. "Yes?" he asked. "I want to buy something," Holmes said. Vincent let them in. Holmes looked around the shop. He looked at the floor. He looked at the walls. "Thank you," he said, and they left. Chapter 4. Holmes has an idea. As they walked away, Holmes said to Watson, "Vincent Spaulding is not his real name. He is a criminal. His real name is John Clay. He is very clever and dangerous." "Really?" said Watson. "Yes," said Holmes. "And now I understand the plan. He wanted Mr. Wilson out of the shop. So, he created the Red-Headed League." "But why?" asked Watson. "To dig a tunnel," Holmes said. While Mr. Wilson copied books, Clay was digging. "A tunnel? Where to?" Watson asked. "To the bank next door," Holmes said. "They are planning to steal gold." Chapter 5. The plan to catch the thief. Holmes and Watson went to the police. They met Inspector Jones and a bank officer named Mr. Merriweather. "We need to catch John Clay," Holmes said. They all went to the bank that night. It was dark and quiet. They waited in the bank cellar. Holmes said, "They will come soon. Be ready." They waited for hours. At last, they heard a sound. Scratch. Scratch. A stone moved. A hole opened in the floor. 2 men came out. One was Clay. "Stop!" shouted Holmes. The police caught them. Clay tried to run, but Holmes stopped him. Chapter 6. The case is solved. The police took Clay and the other man to jail. "You were right," said Watson. "Yes," said Holmes. Clay used the red-headed league to get Mr. Wilson out of the shop. Then he dug a tunnel from the shop to the bank. "But why create a fake league?" Watson asked. "Because Wilson would never leave the shop. They needed him to go out every day. So they paid him to copy books." "Very clever," said Watson. "Yes," Holmes said. "But not clever enough to escape me." They both smiled. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.